Hello class 6 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's lecture 2, we will learn what is proportion. Okay, what is proportion? Now students, ratio is clear to you? Now when we compare two ratios and if these ratios are equal, then we say that the given ratios are in proportion, and the symbol of proportion is you put 4 dots. This is the symbol. Now for example, let's say A is to B is equal to C is to D. We have two ratios, A is to B and second ratio is C is to D. If these two ratios are equal, then we say that given ratios are in proportion. So students, as I told you, when we compare two ratios and if they are equal, then we say that given two ratios are in proportion. Okay, जब हम दो रेशियो कंपेयर करते हैं and after comparing we find them they are equal, then we say that given ratios are in proportion. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, A is to B is proportional to C is to D. Clear है students? समझ आया? A is to B, this is a ratio, it is equal to the second ratio, that is C is to D. Sign of proportion is, I told you this is the sign of proportion. Now instead of writing them equal, I will use the sign of proportion. A is to B is proportion to C is to D. That means these ratios are equal. Clear? Good. Now when ratios are equal, students, what we do, A is to B is to C is to D. Then if ratios are in proportion, then product of means, B and C is known as means. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. ओके, एक्सट्रीम्स क्या है बेटे? ए एंड डी आर एक्सट्रीम. जो बाहर की तरफ होती है वैल्यूज उनको हम एक्सट्रीम बोलते हैं, और जो अंदर की तरफ दो वैल्यूज लिखी हुई हैं, दीज आर नोन एज मीन्स. सो व्हेन द गिवन रेशियोज आर इन प्रोपोर्शन, अगर दिया हुआ है, देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स. आप इसको शॉर्ट में POM इज इक्वल टू POE भी लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ हियर product of means B into C should be equal to A into D. ये आप लिख लें. This is the important formula in this proportion. Okay? Good. Now one example I will do in front of you. Example is, you have given 4 values, 15, 45, comma 40 and 20. Okay, these 4 values are given to you and you have to find out that are these in proportion. आपको बताना है क्या ये proportion में है. तो what we will do, we will first write them in ratio and proportion form. Okay, 15 is to 45, proportion 40 is to 120. These 4 dots, this means proportion. Proportion का मीनिंग क्या है कि ratios are equal. Okay? Now हम उसको कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? With the help of this formula. POE should be equal to POM. So 45 into 40, if it is equal to 15 into 120, अगर ये equal आता है बेटे, तो you can say that given ratios are in proportion, otherwise not. So what will be the answer? 45 into 40 is how much? 1800 and 15 yes. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means product of mean is equal to product of extreme, so you can say that the given ratios are in proportion. You can say that yes, they are in proportion. Right, student? So that's how you will compare two ratios, okay, with the help of this formula. Good. Now one more type of example, student. You have to find out the missing term of a given proportion, okay? वो फर्स्ट भी हो सकती है, सेकंड भी हो सकती है, थर्ड भी हो सकती है, फोर्थ भी हो सकती है, ठीक है? इन अ proportion there are total 4 terms, okay? 2 रेशियो होते हैं. in each ratio we have 2 values, 2 terms. So आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि find the second value, second term, third term or the fourth term, okay? Now in this example we have been given first term, second term and fourth term. Okay, first term is 25, second term is 75 and the third is missing, fourth term is 141. You have to find out the third term. Okay, now what you will do, let third term be x. Let third term be x. ठीक है? Now we will write them in proportion. 25 is to second term is 75. Proportion. Third term is missing, so we will write x, and then the fourth term is given 141. Okay? Now you have to find out the fourth proportion. Now student always remember, जो भी missing आपको दिया हुआ है उसको आप x मान लें, and then सबका मेथड यही है करने का. Now POE is equal to POM. POM is equal to POE. This is the formula I told you. Now 75 into x is equal to 25 into 141. Okay? Now 75x is equal to 25 into 141. x का वैल्यू क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट? 25 इंटू 141 अपॉन 75. 25 3s are 75 and 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 27. x is equal to 47. So your third proportion will be 47. This is your answer. Okay students? So this type of questions will be asked. आपको अगर सेकंड पूछा है तो आप सेकंड को x मान लेंगे. अगेन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यूज, राइट? Now one more example I am doing in front of you. It is similar to this one. Now they have asked the third term. Okay, first, second and third term दिया हुआ है, fourth term पूछा है स्टूडेंट. Okay, first term is given, second term is given, third term is also given, fourth term you have to find. This you have to calculate. So first term क्या है स्टूडेंट? First term is given 57 in an example, 57 है. Second term is given 228, 228. Third term is given 25 and the fourth term you assume it as x. Okay, same method है. Let fourth term be x, right? Now we will write them in proportion. Proportion में given है student. Question is the first, second and third term of a proportion. So proportion already given है. That means these ratios are equal. So what you will do? You will write them in proportion. 1 is to 2. That is 57 is to 28. Proportion 25 is to fourth one हमने x माना है तो you will write x in place of fourth. Right? POE is equal to POM. ये फॉर्मूला बेटा आपको याद रहेगा. POE 228 into 25 is equal to 57 into x. Clear students? Now find the value of x. 57x is equal to 228 into 25 upon 57. It's 220 into 25, 57, not 57. Now you have to find the value of x, student. We will keep x on one side and rest of the values on the other side. Now solve this question. 57 into 4. So x is equal to 4 into 25, that is 100. So value of x comes out to be, it is equal to 100. This is your answer, students. Clear hai? This is the fourth proportion, and that's how you will find fourth proportion. Clear? Good. Now again, very important example, student. Question will be asked. The first and the fourth term of the proportion are given to you. First term is given to you and the fourth term is given to you. Okay? You have to find out the second term and third term. ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज द फर्स्ट एंड द फोर्थ टर्म ऑफ द प्रोपोर्शन आर 36 एंड 16. First term is 36 and the first term is 36 and the fourth term is 16 respectively. They are in proportion. आपको given है they are in proportion. So what I will do now, I will write them like 36. We will assume that second and the third term are x ले लिया उनको, right? X is to 16. Fourth term 16 है, then in place of fourth term we will write 16. Second and third term हमने x लिख लिया है, right? Now again the same formula, POM is equal to POE. X into x is equal to 36 into 16. X square is equal to 36 into 16 is how much? Okay, no issue. So x square is equal to 36 into 16. Now student, you have to find out x square. तुमको चाहिए नहीं. What we will do, x is equal to under root 36 into 16. Clear है student? Now x is equal to under root of 36 is 6 and 16 is 4. So what is the value of 6 for the 24? So what will be the value of x? X is 24. So our answer is 24. 24 students. Clear? Good. Now students, now we will start exercise 9.2. Right students? Now come to question number 1. Are the following number in proportion? One part I am doing for you. First part, are the following in proportion? Open page number 119, exercise 9.2. Okay? Are the following number in proportion? Proportion में कब होते हैं student? When the two ratios are equal. So we will check whether these two ratios are equal. First question is 30, 40, 45, 60. So we will check whether their product of mean is equal to product of extreme. अगर वो equal है तो we can say that the given numbers are in proportion. We will write them. 60 we will check POE is equal to POM. 40 into 45 is equal to 30 into 60. 1800, 6 3s are 18, 1800. Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that given numbers are in proportion. Okay, you can say that yes, they are in proportion. Right? So these are in proportion. Clear, students? Do all other parts of question number 1 on your own. Now come to question number 2. Find the value of x in following terms. Question number 2. Question number 2, students. Question number 2, C part I am doing. 16 is to x, proportion x is to 25. You have to find out the value of x. So POE is equal to POM. X into x is equal to 16 into 25. X square is equal to 16 into 25. X is equal to under root 16 into 25. Now the value of x is equal to 16 ka square root is 4 and 5, that is 20. So x 20 20, this is your answer. Okay students, good. Question number 2, do all other parts on your own. They are just like we have discussed here. Okay, now come to question number 3, students. Question number 3, which of the following statements are true? आपको ट्रू एंड फॉल्स बताना है स्टूडेंट. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. फर्स्ट पार्ट आई एम डूइंग फॉर यू. ओपन पेज नंबर 119, exercise 9.2. Question number 3, first part I am doing here. First part is 40 is to 200 is equal to 15 is to 75. Okay, ये आपको बताना है कि is this statement true or not. So what, how we will check? We will POM is equal to POE है, so we can say that statement is true, otherwise it is false, right? So 200 into 15 is equal to 40 into 75. अगर ये equal आता है student, then it is true, otherwise it is false. We will check. 15 30 3000 तो इस तरफ आया. Yes, left hand side is POM is equal to POE, therefore the given statement is true, right? Your answer is true. Okay, now come to second part, B part. Question number 2, question number 3, B part. Okay, B part. Question is 7 is to 5, 7.5. Okay, decimal है student. 7.5 is to 15 is equal to 5 is to 10. Okay, this is the question. Again we will use same formula. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. अगर है तो we can say that a given statement is true, otherwise it is false. Okay, now 15 into 5 is equal to 7.5 into 10. Okay, 15 5s are how much? 15 5s are 75, and 75 into 10 is again 75. So POE is equal to POM. Your statement is true. Okay, good. So your exercise is over, students. Do all other parts of question number 3 on your own. Okay, each and every question should be done neatly in your copy. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, bye bye, take care.